welcome back from my table to yours. Today we are going to make an easy chicken, broccoli, rice dish. So what I have here is I had already pre-cooked 2 cups of brown rice. Then I have one package of broccoli cutlets, and then I have 1 of the chicken breast. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the broccoli and we're going to go ahead and put it in with the rice. Then we are going to go ahead and add our chicken, and we are going to put that in there. And when I seasoned my meat, I actually use Lawry's, and I highly recommend the Lawry's. That's really good stuff. Then I am going to add a can of cream of chicken Campbell's soup. And I buy this off of Amazon in the bulk because we use it for a lot of our meals. So we're going to go ahead and add that to our dish. And make sure everybody hits like and subscribe. It does help the channel. And we're going to be having some more good recipes coming out. Okay, so once I have that added, I am going to add some sour cream. And then we are going to use 1.5 cups of cheddar cheese. Then we are going to add that in there. Then we're going to go ahead and mix it all up. This is a good, quick, easy meal. If you are coming home and you don't know what to make, this is simple, easy, and delicious. And it doesn't take that long at all. You just want to make sure it's mixed up really good. And this is really good served with like dinner bread or, Red Lobster biscuits. Anything that you want to, serve with it. And sorry about my cat. He knows that there's chicken. But then, just mix it up really good, and just like that, it's ready to serve. Okay, so now we're just going to go ahead and serve some up on a plate. And then we're going to go ahead and taste it. Very good. It's creamy and it's really, really light. And I want to thank everybody for watching my channel, From My Table to Yours. I will see you next time.